We are right over here in front of Best Buy and our car is right over there. So we are trying right now a smart summon from Tesla. We are using the latest and greatest FSD 14.2.2.2. So I'm gonna press start come to me. So we're gonna show you how Tesla FSD comes in front of me. So I press and hold that button. We'll see if FSD gets out. So I'm pressing that, keep pressing it. It says release to stop. For some reason, FSD is not coming. Interesting. So much interesting. Like the car is not coming.
You're out of the zone.
Hmm?
You're out of the zone.
No, I'm not outside the zone. I'm pressing one more time. Oh, probably there are human over there standing beside my car. So that's where FSD is not moving. So we'll see. I'm still looking at my car. The car is not coming. Interesting. I'm gonna look all my cameras now. Wow, that is interesting. So much interesting. So I'm gonna press one more time. We'll find out if now it is backing out. Perfect. So the car is coming towards us, as you can see. There are no one behind us. It is a little slow, definitely. If you just come on the top of that. So the car is backing out. There is a person and right over here, so you can see that the car is coming and backing out right now.
We're so up here, and then as soon as we reach the light, it's the best side of the house.
It is coming out very slowly, very interesting. It is just pausing a little bit here and there. I don't know why this is happening, for light or anything. Yeah, you can see every time it is stopping. Interesting, very interesting. I never saw something like that. It is like driving 3 miles per hour, which is fine. I don't mind. So now we're gonna get in and we're gonna make a left from there. There is another car getting into the parking lot. So you can see the car will make a left. It's just taking its time. I really don't understand why that Range Rover is just getting in right now. And it's just kind of stuck there. Now we're gonna make a left. There'll be human here. It's just gonna stop for them. Very good job. Now we're gonna come in front of me. So now it is coming without any problem, but there's like a lot of confusion there when it was coming. So we're gonna try one more time. So let's do that. So we're back in another location right now. We're in front of a Staples and my car is right over there. I'm gonna bring my car right over here in front of the front door. I'm gonna press that come to me button. So we'll see if FSD can get out from that park position and then get out and come to me. So I'm pressing, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, the car is hesitating. There is nothing in front of it. Now it is getting out, again braked. For some reason it is just braking over there, so it just stuck here. I'm keep pressing that without any problem, but as you can see, it is not kind of working for some reason. The car is kind of stuck there. I'm gonna release the button. I'm gonna press come to me one more time, and we'll see if this time it has started to coming towards us. So it is moving very slowly. Very slowly coming out from that parking lot. That guy is kind of a weird person, like taking Did you see that? That black car was cutting off that parking lot and then coming towards us. Now we're kind of like, what are you trying to do? We're just gonna see that. So you're close to that blue car, which is fine, but you're coming, your left indicator is on for some reason, and now you're just kind of stuck there without any problem. There is no road in between that, so the car is kind of stuck there. So really don't know why. And my location is here, it can see that, but let's try, instead of come to me, let's see if the car can come in a point. So I changed that come to me to drop pin on the map, and I'm keep pressing that. It says release to stop. The car is not moving. Now it has started moving. Very weird. I never saw a smart summon behaving like this. Even if you saw my last year videos, the car was coming without any problem, but this time the car is hesitating a lot. Without any issues, there is nothing in front of us. There is no person. The person we're walking was so far from the car, but the car was coming very slow for some reason. So it is coming, but it's just stuck there again. So again, braked for getting in. Now that person is probably gonna get out from here. We're gonna make a left. We're gonna move a little bit towards that location so that the car has a little space. So it is taking its time, like so much time. The smart summon is not something that you're calling a car. The car is just driving fluently and then coming in front of you without the, like doing any like weird stuff. Now we're going fast because there is a car coming from the other side. So you can see that, like how confused it is. My drop pin is there. So we're gonna go somewhere else and try it again. So let's do that. So we're back in front of Best Buy again. Right now I'm gonna press that come to me button to see if the car can come towards us without any issues. So I'm gonna press and hold, but there is a vehicle. We'll see, we're coming out. So I just leave the button because that white car was kind of doing, like trying to park. And now I press that button. This time there is no hesitation. The car is coming without any problem. As you can see, there is no braking, no weird stuff. And the car is coming without braking one single time. So no issues at all. So as you can see, you can show the car right over there. It is coming towards us, no problem. So let's move over here a little bit so that the car has a little space to turn. And you can see that we're gonna stop there. We're gonna make a left. Great job this time. It brakes for the second time, which is probably for that car. You saw that there is a car coming. So now you shouldn't proceed. You shouldn't. I'm still holding that come to me button. So we're gonna figure that out, how safe it is for the car. So we stopped here one more time. I'm gonna move over towards a little bit back. And now we can definitely make a left.
Come on.
A little bit of hesitation here again. We kind of stuck. So you should come. Yes, you should come. I just don't understand why it is just stopping there. So I'm gonna press and release. And now I press that come to me again. So now it is coming. So very slow while making this left turn. Really don't know why. Again, like brake. So I'm gonna go fast and take over. You stop there. So just kind of stuck there. It's like very weird. Kind of stuck in the middle of the road, which there is no human, no one there. And nothing there. So I really don't know why that happened. So I was using someone all the time. When it is raining in front of my office, I have to bring the car so that I don't get wet. But for some reason, FSD or summon was not working today. There is clean weather. My camera seems like it's all clean. Let me show you here. Everything is clean. My front, my back, Everything looks like great, but I really don't know what happened there. So the last time the car was coming very nicely and it was coming towards us, and then suddenly at the end of the parking lot it gets stuck there. Then like thinking what I'm gonna do, and then it made that left turn and stuck in the middle of the road. So I had to take over. It's not like take over, I just run out towards the car and get in and start driving. But let me know in the comment, what is your summon experience? So we're back with another location right now. We're in front of Macy's right now, and our car is kind of hidden in the parking lot. You cannot see it, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press come to me button right now. We'll see if FSD or the smart summon can come towards us. I can see the location now. I can see it is like navigating. We'll see if FSD can actually come towards us. I can't see the car. I can now. It is coming. Great, no hesitation this time. There is a car just coming out. For that, FSD probably braked. Wow, this is so tight. So tight, like people are coming out. Great test, as you can see. The great test here. That red car is doing some weird movement there, coming out. But FSD is not hesitating at all. Great job. Like the way that lady is driving doesn't make any sense to me. Like, what are you doing? So now FSD is coming without any problem. As you can see, it's probably gonna make a left or right. I really don't know. So that is another car is coming out right now. So very weird stuff. So make that left turn fast. I really wish you make that left turn fast, or I'm gonna move away so that. Great, so you're making that left turn without any problem. Great job. So we're gonna get into the car and test somewhere else. So again, we're testing that smart summon. I'm gonna press come to me. This time I moved the car somewhere else now in the parking lot, and I can see that from a little far that the car is making a left this time. So fairly easy for FSD, definitely, because it's gonna make another left. It is coming towards us, not making any mistake this time. So the problem was in that other parking lot, I really don't know, but it was hesitating there. But this time it is not hesitating at all. It is making left turn. You'll see the car is coming towards us. So you'll see the car is coming without any problem, and it's just gonna come probably in front of us. What I would really prefer, when the car comes towards us, it will turn on the hazard light so that the other person behind us knows that we're not doing, like we're just gonna stop here. So as you can see, the car come towards us and it didn't turn on the hazard. So I really would appreciate if someone comes towards us, then when it parks, it turned on the hazard so the car behind us knows we're gonna stop. Right? So thank you for watching, guys. I love you. Hopefully you got that idea. Like for some reason in some parking lot, FSD or smart summon was hesitating a little bit here and there, but not in the Macy's parking lot. I don't know, because me and my wife was talking about that when we're coming on the Macy's parking lot, that the sun was directly hitting in the cameras when we're driving in that Best Buy parking lot. So I really hope because of that it was having that issue, but because we don't get any update on the summon, so probably this is a very old stack and the sun effect is not gone on that stack. So when the sun was directly hitting, someone was having very hard time, so it was just braking, stopping, looking. But in the new stack where we are using like 14.2.2.2, the sun is not an issue anymore if your camera housing is clean. So I hope you got the idea how Summon works, and thank you for watching. I love you so much and have a wonderful day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to get FSD videos in my channel. Thank you.